What's going on, everyone? Very quickly wanted to show you a cool product by Trimtex. This is called Fast Cap, and it can be used to return doorways like the one behind me here, as well as wall ends, knee walls, closet returns. And what it does is it eliminates the need to drywall the face of your opening, and it also saves on the amount of corner beads you need to install, as well as your labor, because you don't need to mud the face. This is a finished product, so you're saving on time and material. So how it works is you simply install it over your rough opening. Like I said, you're saving on drywall. You don't need to drywall that face because the vinyl finish completely covers that opening. So it just clips over the front like that. You install it with your Trimtex drywall adhesive as well as a few staples, and then you only need to mud the front and back side. You don't need to mud the face. As I said, that's pre-finished. So you're saving on time and material, because conventionally, if we were to do this with regular corner beads, we would need to install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corner beads, as opposed simply 3 pieces of the Trimtex Fast Cap. So this product is available in 10-foot lengths as well as in an archway version. So you could use it for archways with a minimum 15-inch inside radius or a 28-inch outside radius. So very cool product by Trimtex. Check it out, Fast Cap.